Hello, Mr. Mitra. So, I think you have done the evolution, answered the evolution questions quite well. I really like how you have graded yourself in terms of various aspects of drawing and coloring and understanding values and drapery, and surfing the net in terms of your art education or basic knowledge. So, good work on the first answer. Where does your work fit into the contemporary art market? So you are a student first for now, and you're learning all the different streams, but still it's time to start, thinking about what you really like from so far, whatever you have learned. Which is your favorite style of painting, or what is one thing that you enjoy most? Uh, Try, if you have any living artists in your city or around the location where you live, try to communicate with them, and doing studio visit, or even visiting exhibitions if you have any exhibitions in your happening in your current location, or any museums formed by government. So it's good to visit them, because I feel that looking at paintings, reading about artists online is fine, and looking at their painting is also fine, but looking at the artworks in real, it makes a lot of difference, because how big the painting is, or how small the painting is, the fine details. Not everything cannot be captured in a camera. So that is something which I would recommend. And if you travel for work or any other purpose in metros or other cities, please do visit art galleries and art museums, and talk to the artists and etc. So that will help you a lot. So you want good photographs, you want to bring the good photographs in form of great paintings on canvas. So I think that is really cool idea. For that, I think you need to take pictures, carry a small camera. Even a mobile camera nowadays, they work quite well. So anything that amaze you, just take a picture. Doesn't matter whether it's a still life, or it's nature of, or it's a person sitting on street, whatever. But try to take photographs of these pictures, and then use the pictures that you have clicked to for your painting purpose. That is very important, because when we click a photograph, we observe all the different aspects, like the shadow part, the light part, the anatomy, colors, the composition, everything. So it becomes a much more interesting job to paint our own pictures instead of painting pictures of others. So I would recommend you should definitely start photographing your work. And I really like your dedication, and this kind of dedication will definitely help you to set your marks in the art world. So good job on that. And with this video, I'll also explain the next assignment, what you need to do. So in the next assignment, this is the artist presentation. Artist presentation consists of images of your artwork. So this is something that you need to practice. And if you have a computer with a camera, just you can record yourself giving a presentation, and then submit it online. Basically, when we talk to someone, or an artist, so basically when we talk to someone who is not from the art field, or when we talk to an art gallery owner, or a critic, or maybe a newspaper person, how you speak about your art is very important. what you like, why are you creating a certain kind of painting, everything, all the aspects are very important. So from this course or even your individual paintings, just pick any 5 to 10 paintings. First talk about yourself, and you have to complete this presentation in just 5 minutes. So follow the instructions as written here, and then submit your if you're able to take a video, that would be perfect. You can submit that. Else you can submit a PPT where you have placed your paintings and made a presentation with few lines in the bottom. That would be fine as well. So good luck with that.